In this tutorial, we will install the all-new 3-phase energy monitoring device and configure it through the Wiser app. Please note, to scan the QR code from the actual device, it is developed to provide power and energy, harmonics, current, voltage, and power factor for energy management of spaces like small and medium-scale industries, hotels, retails, and residential solar applications. The EMD is designed to handle 3 phases, does not need a gateway to function, has an app designed for both Android and iOS, facilitates a real-time dashboard, and connects effortlessly to your Wi-Fi network. It is also certified for Class 2 performance category for accurate data, is compatible with any brand-agnostic MCB or RCCB, and is DIN rail mountable for easy installation. The accessories required for 3-phase energy monitoring device are a patch antenna, 3-phase current transformer with connectors, power cable with connector, wall mount accessory. You can also follow the instruction manual. Before you begin installation, turn off the power and ensure absence of voltage. The installation is simple. You may follow the instruction manual. Mount the device firmly on the DIN rails. Connect the patch antenna in its terminal, then connect the CT based on CT polarity direction on incomer and loads to be measured. Finally, connect the power cable connector. Make sure that the cables are drawn through designated slots. For more information, you can refer to the online device user guide provided in the description of the video. Turn the power back on. Next, the device needs to be configured to the Wiser app. Download and install the app from the App Store or Play Store. Start the configuration process by adding device information. Press the reset button 4 times, and the Internet LED will start blinking rapidly. Next, pair your device with your local Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes based on your network connection. Once your device is connected to Wi-Fi, select your device and begin adding channel information. That's it! You have now installed the EMD and configured it with the Wiser app. Introducing the Wiser app to monitor your energy consumptions and electrical health parameters. Now you can monitor specific energy consumption, identify energy-intensive equipment, and high load consumption times. For more detailed insights, download Wiser Dashboard. Schneider Electric's 3-phase energy monitoring device, where smart meets simple.